This is one of the most generic topics you'll ever find it on YouTube or Instagram or blogs or webinars, but then I'm going to share my perspective on this one because it's kind of fun to talk about generic topics as well. Now, thanks so much for joining in. We are going to talk about how do you make more money in your own business. Think about it. Think about these two terms, cool? Potential products. How do you make money when you have products? If you have products to sell, you're going to make more money. If you don't have products to sell, you are not going to make money. You know why? Because this is your product. You are the product. So the more you create the products inside your community or inside your business, forget about community, inside your business. Now this can be a digital product, a physical product, a digital service, a physical service, a one-to-one session, a mastermind, a coaching call, a high ticket, low ticket, mid ticket, courses, crash courses, tutorial courses, workshops, workbooks, books, ebooks, audio files, anything that you're creating. I'll tell you one small keyword which has helped me immensely when it comes to creating n number of products. At the moment, I've got like more than 25-30 different products. Though they don't make money, but then I know that once I start hitting in the market, they're going to make money. We are recording this on 17th of September 2022. Now, think about it. Two words: potential products. Potential products. The moment I understood this one little concept of potential products, it helped me to create n number of products, n number of courses, services. See, this is coming from broke, to be very honest, to be very transparent. This is coming from a broke, but then I understand business very closely. I observe business very closely and very fiercely in a very dynamic way. Now, when the day you start, see, you have a community, for example, okay? You have customers, you have clients, you have cold audience, you have leads, you have a list. The moment you have all those things, start creating more and more products. Create products which are for 99 rupees. Create products which are 199 rupees, say 499 rupees, 999 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees, 2.5 lakh rupees. Create products in all the domains, say all the way from a small course to a big course, say tutorials to big workshops, say small mini crash courses to all the way to enhanced courses, say small low ticket call that I'm going to do. We are just going to have a conversation for say like 15 minutes, but then you just have to pay like 99 rupees. That 99 rupees is nothing when it comes to profits. But then what that 99 rupees is going to do is bring some cash flow to you. When that cash flow comes in, you get over a call for 15 minutes. Now you then sell a product. Say, since we have discussed all this thing, now you can get a recording of this call. You can have the Excel sheet that we worked on. You know exactly the game plan. I'm going to share the PDF with you, and also I'm going to put you into different groups. Say, for example, this next level, this is going to cost you say 499 rupees. When someone has paid you 99 rupees and you're offering an upsell that is say 499 rupees, it can be anything. It can be just, you can just say them, you just invest in this 499 rupees. Okay, I know exactly where you're stuck at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create like 3 to 4 videos for you, which is definitely going to be it's going to cost you, but then it's just going to cost you 499 rupees along with the recording. Done. Lifetime access. Done. So the more you create products and services and courses, think of it. Forget about even physical part of it. Think about how can you do more on the lines of digital part of it. The more you can elaborate, say worksheets, workbooks, PDFs, Excel sheets, an ebook, a blog, like selected video part of it. Say one-to-one. Say you can do anything. How do you make more money? Is make more products, make more services. The more you do that, yes, it's going to take away your freedom, but then you're building a business. Your business needs you. Business demands resources and efforts and time and all from you. I don't subscribe to the whole mindset like 4-hour work week. Like this is something that I've learned from, like there are a lot of ways of doing a lot of things, but then what I resonate with is something that Patrick Bet-David is sort like, and Grant Cardone says is, you do a part-time job, you invite full-time problems. You do a 4-week work. Like it's successful for so many different people. But then on the front end part of it, the back end, they've got like multiple businesses where they're spending full-time work and full-time time and efforts and resources so they can build and grow all of that part together. So we don't have any much pointers over here, but then I just wanted to share the thought process with you, where the more you start creating inside your business, inside your community, inside your tribe, inside your own, whatever you're doing, think about how can I create how can I add more value? So I got this call this one day. It did not got today. It did not got converted, but then she was stuck at one single place. I was like, great, I can help you out with one of the courses that I've got. So what I did, I have made the sale, not got converted. That's a different vocabulary. The money did not came, but then what I started to do is I can help you out. And the only way I can help you out is I cannot spend like so much time with you, because time is limited. What I would rather do is I have created the course. It's going to be a single course of 999. I'm going to send you this course. I send the QR, I send the details of it. She did not become a part of it. I've detached myself from the outcome and the results. Though it's really important, and I'm at a stage where I'm actually looking at the results. And think about it. She did not got converted. What if I pitched the same thing to 100 different people? The same one little product, how many people would have converted? If I had like 4 different products with the first product, imagine the conversions would rise over here. More products rising over here. More products rise over here. The more you do, the more you make. So Grant Cardone, in one of the videos, Grant Cardone recently said, like, how do you make more money? How do you become more successful? Dream, do the more work. Dream, do the more work. Like, it's literally that. You dream of something, you keep on doing the work. You dream of something, you keep on doing the work. You keep on, the more you do this, like, okay, I want to reach there, okay, great, I'm going to do that by doing this one thing. Keep on doing it. So that brings us to the conclusion of this one video. Thank you so much for making this video me and the topic about of your day. After a very long time, it is something on money strategies. It's one of the most interesting and fun topics to talk about. Thank you so much. May peace and blessings be upon you and your loved ones. And go ahead and start creating so many products and make lots of money and impact. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in the next video or any other video. Thanks a lot.